Plannerzoidies, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. And today I'm really excited because it's October, so that means it is time to change my planner around. So I am doing a new deco micro for the month of October for my micro, and I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, this is the last one I did for September. This was my September one, which I really enjoyed having. Really cute. It didn't fall apart, so that's good. And then the back cover is just the same. And now I'm going to go ahead and do October, and I wanted to do something with like spiders. So this is one that I did. I am going to do one just like it because I couldn't choose which one to do. So I decided to just do two different versions. So this is the dark spider version. I'm going to go ahead and do the light spider version. How cute is this? So the paper that I used came from a paper pad from Michael's. It's like vellum or whatever, which is really nice so you can see through it. And I think it'll look really good. And then I also have some shakers that I'm probably going to add to it. Like in this one, I did put a shaker inside, which I thought was really cute. So I'm probably going to use this one. For some reason, I really like this one and think it'll look good, but we'll see. For now, I'm going to go ahead and build the micro, and I'm going to put it together. So if you haven't seen my video, I'll link it at the end, but basically I teach you how to make your own micro if you want to, which is really exciting. So I'll link it at the very end. So what I wanted to do was just put a spider web and put spiders, just like I did on this one. So I'm going to do the same thing, but I wanted to do it, you know, in the colors that match or whatever. So I think I had the hardest time choosing between white or black, but since I did black for the other one, I'm going to do white for this one. And then I did black and purple spiders. I think I'm going to do like pink and black spiders. Pink, I think, is a really fun color to add to this. So I think that's going to be great. The glue that I'm using to adhere my spider web is the original tacky glue by Eileen's. I really like this glue. It's really good. It holds everything together. And then I got my spiders and stuff from die cuts that I purchased on Amazon simply. I'll do my best to link it. So y'all, with this one, I gotta be careful because honestly, this glue, it kind of gets everywhere a little bit, and I have to really be careful not to put too much on there, because when I did the black version, like the dark version, some of the glue kind of got on the cover and like spilled outside of the web. Now luckily I believe the glue dries pretty clear anyway, but I still want to be careful. I do feel like I probably just put too much on this one too, but we're gonna make it work. I said this time I wanted to just kind of rub it in this time, because you don't need a lot of glue. By the way, my die cuts, when I usually make my micros, are made of some kind of foam so that it can stay on there. I guess it's like more durable. Like if I do paper, there's a chance it'll mess up. So this is made of foam. And I got it for Walmart for like $5, like a whole big pack. This is super cute. Oh my goodness, this looks really good. And I'm just gonna press it lightly. I think this setup will be really adorable. Honestly, I don't even know which one like I want to choose, but I am looking at this one. This one just looks so fun. But I'm gonna see when I finish this one because I think the pink is calling my name and looks really good. With the spiders, I adhere them a little different. I'm going to be using foam tape to adhere the spiders because I want them to stick up a little bit. Gives a little, you know, dimension. So this one, I'm gonna put one black spider and one pink spider. And aren't these cute? Look how cute these are. And before I peel off the backing, I'm gonna kind of place them first to have an idea. I'm probably gonna do something like that. Or they can be going different ways. That's kind of cute. I'm gonna do them different ways. Cute. Wow, this is super cute. How cute is this? I wish I had another little spider to add. Like, I think this purple one wouldn't look right, even though it's really cute. But I wish I had another like tiny black spider. But I still think this is cute. Like, this is perfect. So now I just need to let it sit. So what I like to do is just take like a little paperweight that I found. And I just use this. This used to be like the vase of a flower. It's pretty heavy, so this is what I use. I just sit it on top and let everything just sit and adhere together. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna get the paper and the disc and all of that together. Now that I've taken the time to adhere it, I'm gonna go ahead and hole punch it because some of the holes are blocked. So I do have to hole punch it or cut it. So I do both. The scissors I like to use are just these kind of scissors. I think they're great for like more intricate things, smaller things you're trying to cut. And then, of course, you know I gotta use my hole punch. It broke. I don't know how it broke the last video, but it did. But it still seemed like it works good. So I will be using this hole punch, which I really like. When this fully fall apart, or I might even get it before it fall apart, I want the pink one. The pink one and like the gold is so pretty. I really want that one. I think I'm gonna cut it first. So what I like to do is like, I'll just turn it over. Look how pretty that is from the other side. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. On the other side. So I'm going to first just kind of cut in the slits. Hold on, let me bring it over here. Okay, I cut in the slits, so those are good, but I still need to punch these. I'm gonna punch these. I don't have to, but I think I am. And then I should be able to just take it off. Yeah, see? Like it was this piece, then I took it off. I think it's a lot easier than trying to cut it because sometimes I don't cut right. Like sometimes I really don't do the best job. And then I'm gonna do this one and see how it's nicely cut out. And now I should be able to go on the front. And then I have my back cover, which is just gonna be this plain, you know, web, which looks really nice. And you can tell which side is supposed to be on the outside because one side is more, I don't know, clear than the other. Oh, I almost forgot. I wanted to add a tassel to it, so let me do that. So I'm gonna be using this from We Are Memory Keepers. I forgot what it's called, but I think it's an eyelet punch or whatever. Basically, you can use eyelets and make cool designs with it, but I really just punch with it for the most part. And it's already measured where I want to punch it, so I'm going to punch it. I didn't glue all of the webs down because I wanted it to be easy to move around. So I like it. It looks really good. And actually it's a little bit better than this one because I had to cut a piece off. I guess it was the way I had glued it. I'm not sure, but either way, it's really nice. So let me finish decorating. I'm gonna add this web. So I did create these myself with just some nice ribbon that I found. And I'm gonna put this towards the back. And then I love this right here. This is so pretty and I like how it got the white. I made this as well. This one is 2 different ribbons that I put together. So I'm also gonna put this back there too. Just put them next to each other. I think it's gonna look really cute. This is so cute. How cute is this? I think this is going to be my micro for October. And then, of course, I have this one. I don't know which one I want to use, y'all. Like, both of them came out really cute. And I'm probably just going to use them interchangeably. But anyways, like, that's it for this video. Like, I kept it simple because I could not choose what I wanted to do for October. So when I saw that I had these cute spider die cuts, I was like, oh, this would be perfect. And then not too long ago, I bought a bunch of paper pads and these 2 kind of papers were new and I wanted to use them. So this is how they look in the back. Really nice. So I'm in love with these. These are so adorable. And then I have these shakers, which I think I think I'm gonna put the pink one in here. This is the pink one that I made. So I'm gonna put the pink one. And then I'm gonna put the green one in here. I love this green one, it's so fun. Oh, the purple one is in here, that's right. What was I doing with this green one? There was something I wanted to do. Let me see how the green one, oh, but the pink kind of goes nicely. Oh, but I kind of like the green. But I feel like green will look really good with this darker one. So I'm probably gonna put it in the darker one, like a green and purple. But anyways, these are both of my micros. They are so beautiful. Let me know down below what you guys think. And what are you guys doing for October? Did any of you guys do any kind of Halloween spread yet or any kind of Halloween crafts? I'm curious. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned because I do have another plan with me coming out this week where I will be switching my mini happy planner to a more Halloween-esque design using my no-teak cover. So stay tuned for that video, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.